Hello everyone. I ordered this quad lock a few weeks ago, but I never had a chance to install this. So let's see how easy it's going to fix this into the CBR 600RR. Okay, so I tried to take off the the cap from here, and it's quite tight. So the easy thing what I found is one of this clip, a lady's hair clip. So you just got enough space to squeeze it through, so we can lift it up and use a screwdriver and just literally simply push it up and pull it on the same time. It's very tight. Just make sure you don't damage any of the bodywork. Yeah, it's out. Didn't decide to go for a black one or anything because it's kind of matched the color for my shocks, so I'm happy with the blue, which comes as part of the order. Okay, here what happened is I found it really struggling because this thing is really loose. So what I realized is, I fiddled around a little bit. So I tried the big one, I tried the small one, it's not working. So what I figured out was, see, can you see that? That's actually push it really down. So you put it back there and you keep tightening it. So just keep on tightening it until it's really tight. So you just maybe literally hand tight it. There's a little bit hand tight it. Just make sure they are on the right places. You got three. You can see there is a little three different. Yeah. So now it's kind of tight there. So let's unscrew it. Yeah, there we go. And let's tighten it. Really tight. So now it's in a good grip. So literally just keep fastening it with the Allen key. I don't know how much we can tighten. I don't want to break it, but I think that is quite strong enough. Yeah, it's a little bit off the shape, but I think the line is alright with that. Now we need to do the charger. So to do the charger, we just need to take off this bit and put the charger back on there. So on this one here, you just literally take off the screw from the cord lock, and with the charger you get a longer screw. So I guess literally this will go underneath like that. And use the longer one just to tighten it. Yeah, just tighten it a little bit just to get that grip on. There we go. Yeah. And that will mount into the actual mechanism here. So just make sure we have the straight one. Okay, just keep it steady, tighten into that one. Yeah, just make sure it's straight here when you tighten it. Okay, then straighten the stem mount here. There we go. That's it there. So we just close the bit here and keep the mount and use the screw. Let me just check, is there a front and a back? Yeah, so obviously where it says cord lock, that's facing that way, so cable will go that way. I just wasted my time, so just remember the screw need to go from right to the left. I was literally doing from left to the right all this time, but that was on the wrong way, so just remember saving your time. So I wasted my time, I don't want any of my friends here wasting the time. So yeah, that's nice and steady, that's quite strong. Yeah, but just give a little hand tight again. I think that's everything. We figured it out literally. How do you want to? It says push and get to that angle there. Yeah, there we go. Nice and sturdy there. So it's not that easy what we think, but job done, nice and strong. Just push it down, turn it, and you get your phone out. Now we do need to fix the actual charging cable. Try not to mess it up, so we need to actually remove the fairings and go through into the main battery. So we're going to do that now. So my battery died in between, so what I done is I just taken off a couple of screws from here. So as you can see, I taken off this one and taken off one from the tank, and I taken off these two fairings here, and I just literally just use this and I pull the cable through from here into the battery directly. So just literally I just unscrewed that one there, just literally taken off on this bits. I didn't remove it actually, I just made a little bit of gap and just pulled it through with the string basically. So job done. All we need to do is just connect it now and see if that's going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just literally going to put a cable tie here just to make sure it's safe. Okay, so I need to buy a small cable, but I have done this far. I'm just going to see if that's going to work. I just got a Type-C cable, turn on the bike and just plug it in. Yeah, it is charging. Okay, so you get a message to say turn on fast charging to get the best charging speed. Okay, let's turn on. Okay, there we go. So it's all working, it's fine. So it's not that complicated, it's time consuming, but if you just put a bit of an effort, it works and it's look nice. Alright, so if you like this video, please give a thumbs up